Hello, and welcome to this interesting experiment where we'll be using different liquids with varying densities and food coloring to create a colorful liquid stack. Let's get started. Materiality. 1. Different liquids with varying densities: honey, corn syrup, dish soap, water, vegetable oil. 2. Food coloring. Instructions. 1. First, gather all the liquids: honey, corn syrup, dish soap, water, and vegetable oil. 2. Make sure that the liquids are clean and free from any debris. 3. Place the first liquid, honey, on the bottom of the jar. It should be the densest of the group, as it is solid at room temperature. 4. Fill the jar about a third full with the honey. 5. Now, add the second liquid, corn syrup, which is also slightly denser than honey. You should see the corn syrup start to sink, leaving the honey at the bottom. 6. Fill the jar about a third full with the corn syrup. 7. Next, add the dish soap to the jar. Dish soap is less dense than both honey and corn syrup, so it will float on top of the mixture, leaving a layer of each liquid in the jar. 8. Fill the jar about a third full with the dish soap. 9. Now, add the third liquid, water, which is the least dense of the group. It will slowly start to rise, reaching the top of the jar along with some of the dish soap. 10. Finally, add a few drops of food coloring to each layer to make it visually more appealing. 11. Your colorful liquid stack is now ready. Observe how the different liquids arrange themselves based on their densities. Remember to conduct this experiment safely and responsibly. Have fun experimenting.